I'm HondaPro Jason, and I have something so awesome to show you. It's standing right behind me. It's a 2018 Honda Civic Type R from Honda, France, completely graphited up. Look at these graphics. This thing is crazy. So let me tell you what happens here. This is going to be my driver as I drive through France for the whole weekend going to Honda Euro Meet. Honda France reached out to me. You guys are amazing. Said, do you want to drive this car? I said, sure, of course I want to drive this car. It's a Type R. And with the graphics, it's insane. Look at this thing. Totally crazy. Let me walk you guys around it. And let me show you first these graphics. It's a contest winner from a student, an art student in France. So first, thank you so much for making the art. It's amazing. It's super like Japan anime. It's really cool. So let me show you some of the things that are different from the Europe version versus the US version. Starting in the front, these are headlight washers. We don't have headlight washers. We also don't have parking sensors, front and rear. Sensing. You guys look up here, there's gonna be a camera up here for the sensing, and there's a sensor on the bottom. And if you stay right where you are, back up a little bit, I wanna show them underneath the hood here. The engines are gonna look very similar, but this is 320 PS, which is about 316 horsepower, so about 10 more than we have in the US. There's no engine modifications different, it's just better gas here in Europe is all it is. This looks pretty much the same except for these covers. We don't have these. And guess what color this was? This used to be Sonic Pearl, Sonic Gray Pearl, which is a color that we just found out recently the US is gonna get. So I'll be driving a car the US is gonna get in 2019. How awesome is that? I am so excited. Let's walk them around real quick, show them everything there is to see on this car. I love these graphics on the side. This car looks super cool with her fan and everything. And I almost forgot. Take a look at these mirrors, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Power folding mirrors in a Type R, along with turn signals in a Type R. And what else? Well, there's something else I want to show them on the inside of the Type R, which is super, oh, these mats. Let me show you a couple things here. I'm in love with these mats. They're a little bit different than the US spec, which is probably why I just think they're super cool and different. Wireless charger is standard, along with auto off for the idle stop, which we don't have. And the badge number, 3054. Remember, this badge number is a worldwide badge number, so it's worldwide in sequential order, which is pretty darn cool. I need to switch the languages, all the languages. Check this out. The languages you can choose from. Look at this thing. Like 50 languages. In the US, we only get like 3 languages. Loving that. Everything in the gauges are all the same, but you do have your washers here, and your sensing, which is awesome, and your parking sensors. More sensing right here. Day-night mirror. Hi! Guys, I am so excited. Let me just show you the rest of this car real quick. I am so excited to drive this to Honda Euro Meet this weekend. It is going to be such an epic, epic event. And driving this car, oh yeah. I mean, it's a little bit pink, I'm not gonna lie, but I absolutely love it. Look at this. Look at that. Ah, so aggressive. So very cool. Otherwise, it's the same spec as we have in the US. So I am here at SAS Auto, and they have been outstanding, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. The whole team came out, we took a big team picture. So now I'm gonna go drive this bad boy all around France for the whole weekend. Guys, thank you so much for everything you guys have done. Thank you so much for watching the video. Honda France, you have been amazing. So, merci. And as always, guys, from this time from France, I'm the HondaPro. And now you're in the know. One more thing I forgot to show you while I had the Type R in France, and since I left the car there, now I'm in Norway, I stopped by a local dealership to show you on this Type R. You guys all know the window down trick, right? We all know this already. You press unlock once, you press unlock again and hold it, all the windows go down. Well, in this car, it also allows all the windows to go up. You press lock once, you press lock again, and watch this. All the windows go up, and if that power mirror, this power mirror was out, the power mirror actually folds in two. So it does 2 things. How cool is that?